Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 28th of February, 2023. We're going to talk about Palantir today. Give you all the updated price prediction, price update for this particular market, because you guys can tell I did a price prediction in Palantir before earnings were released back here on the 13th of February. Okay, looking for Palantir to go lower, but obviously you guys can see it, not hiding anything from you, being fully transparent. The market went up, right? Okay, cool. But maybe this earnings release could have been one of those events to where you were supposed to sell on the news, because the price came right back down to what we anticipated anyway. Yeah, so maybe Palantir is still on course to fulfill what we talked about on the 13th of February, looking for price to go lower. Let's break this down. Okay, first of all, let's go ahead and look at this on the monthly chart, because today's the last day of the month in Palantir. You guys can see it. All of this high volume that came in for the month of February, and look at where price currently resides, kind of lets me know that, yeah, there's still some sellers here. That this kind of resembles, you should have sold the news on that earnings release, because price is now back to where it pretty much started on the previous month of January. The monthly price bar is showing us that they're sellers. Look at this on the 3-weekly price chart. Now we got 3 more days left, but it still shows us that there's more sellers coming in the market in Palantir. The demand that so many people looked at the earnings release has waned. It's gone. This is on top of what happened the previous 3 weeks. These 2 3-weekly price bars tells us that there's a lot of selling going on. Now currently, the excitement, the demand, the interest is there to uphold the price, but the more we see these 3-weekly price bars come next to one another, it's going to give you more information that price is getting weaker. Take a look at this on the 2 weeks. Take a look at it. I think what occurred into the market in Palantir was to lead up to earnings, was to get people more inclined to come in and buy the stock running into earnings, so that the market can sell it, so that someone on the opposite side of the trade can sell it to a willing participant who was willing to buy it. Now that time is over, what other justification does the market in Palantir has to continue to go up? Because the price chart is not showing me that the market is willing to continue to push this stock up. Take a look on the weekly chart. Okay. The week of the 13th of February is where the sellers came in. Now, why would I say sellers came into the market in Palantir on that week? Well, charts don't lie. Look at that. All that volume on the week of the 13th of February tells me that more selling came into the market in Palantir, because the follow through, the reaction to price after this weekly price bar was conducted is down. So there was a lot of selling happening during the week of the 13th. It bled on into the next week of the 21st of February. And here we are this week, still showing weakness. Now, does it mean that we're going to see the price in Palantir run all the way down to 675 to where the monthly TP price is? We might not see that. There's a couple of areas of support that I've already seen, and namely is right around here. Okay. And definitely where we initiated our prediction. These are areas that I can see buyers come in and hold price. So we may just see the market in Palantir consolidate and trade within a trading channel. There's nothing wrong with that. Just understand that the market's not volatile. It's not trending, and you won't be able to capitalize massively on a profit. This is what the market currently is reflecting to me in Palantir, especially seeing how price was unable to keep itself above $9 right there. The same thing happened back in October of last year. So we're not new to this. If anyone's trying to question how can you tell what direction price is trying to go, well, we've already got an answer. Because every time we come up here towards $9, look at the reaction. Price goes right back down below it. That simply lets us know that price is not ready to trend higher. We're not there yet. Okay. So as of right now, what I'm going to do in Palantir is simply hold on to my price prediction. I'm still looking for the market to go lower. Now, given that I have said that, keep our eyes open. I would say around $7.65 to $7.50 for potential areas for us to catch buyers. Okay, if we see the market hover and hold $7.65 to $7.50, then yes, we could possibly see this particular stock continue to go up towards that $9 areas again to try to break it to the upside. Okay. So now, I'm not going to change my price prediction. So I will recommend that everyone go to my previous video on the 13th and see where my price targets are at. Okay. Because the market here in Palantir definitely looks as if it is going to, let me see this real quick. Okay. That is going to try to continue to dip to go lower. And the idea is just trying to figure out how low price is going to go before you see buyers. Okay. So let me go ahead and clean this up. Remember, if we see buyers coming around 765 to 750, then we may need to cut the price prediction there and play the market long, begin to play the upside move into Palantir. If we see the market go below 750 and comes in and find buyers at 720 to $7, again, we may need to cut it there. All right, so I'm through. Hopefully y'all understand what I was talking about on this particular video, but needless to say, this earnings release in Palantir was simply a moment to sell the news. We still suspect that weakness is here. We still suspect that overall that this stock is not trending. It is just simply trade within a trading range. And once we see the next level down to find buyers, that's going to be the support area. Now, don't get it twisted. You guys can see that I still got this ascending line here as well too. So the market may actually still come down to this trending line, bounce from here, and continue to trend higher in the long term. All right, so just give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain the profitability. Hit that like button instead of also subscribe, because you are going to get a realistic idea as to how price is going to move without any confusion. Tap in.